Not again.
Oh,
you
mate.
again. Another Bike Fit Tuesday. It's not going to be a Bike Fit Tuesdays. Good morning and welcome to today's video. I'm at Sigma Sports, quickly sorting out my cleats. This isn't a real episode of Bike Fit Tuesdays. I'm wearing a helmet indoors.
Alright. Morning viewers.
You having fun this morning at work?
Yeah, great time at work, mate. Living the dream.
What's that?
What's what?
What's Sigma Sport? What have you just done?
I've just put a wedge in your left shoe, like you asked me to. Like, really interesting thing, like one thing that always used to bug me about your pedaling dynamic was you were really toey, and I think we spoke about it before. This towiness, this plantar flexion is usually associated with instability of the foot, and I think because you've been riding shoes that didn't really fit you quite so well, because you've got quite wide feet, and you were running a shoe that's a size or two too large to accommodate the width of the foot, which then meant you ended up with this very toey pedaling dynamic. Put you in a different shoe that's a lot wider, all of a sudden you drop your heels, your pedaling's much smoother, it's a much more stable dynamic.
When I was in the park yesterday,
Yeah.
I was like, oh, this feels easy.
Yeah, it's
Like,
night and day.
for the same power.
Yeah.
Well,
Does that mean when you said one man,
Battersea Central Store.
Yeah, do you know
The
what it is?
busiest place in Battersea.
Yeah.
How are you guys?
Yeah, alright. How are you?
I was at Sigma Sport a minute ago. I cycled here,
Yeah.
and it rained, so I couldn't film anything on the way over. So now I'm here. I'm here.
It's a bit windy, isn't it?
It's very windy.
A bit windy.
Very windy.
One
7
way,
out of
going the
10.
other way down the river,
I
records
can't
to be
work
had.
it out. I had a tailwind all the way to Richmond Park, and then after that, it was suddenly headwind. As a weird hat, man.
Tumble dried it, didn't I?
Did you?
Sorry, Rich.
How are you?
Sore, but I'm alright, I'm alive, look.
Oh yeah.
I can do a little dance.
Rumour has it you've got a weird lump on your leg.
Can you see it? Can you see it?
Called a hematoma.
Harry,
No.
hematoma.
Jess could explain what a hematoma is, because
It's a
I don't know.
hematoma, Jess.
It's an extreme bruise. I think it's when like liquid has collected, like fluid is collected under the surface.
Oh, you could drink it.
Yeah.
Shots!
Like a camel.
Shots, boys, yeah?
Yeah, I can do
shots.
that.
Hello, it's the statue of Chris.
I just poked your dirty crank, Franny.
Go on, make it work. Make it work.
We're in a lift, we're in a lift.
Hand cell lift.
This is that place from The Matrix with all the doors.
Yeah, do you know who the doorkeeper is?
George.
Gary Glitter.
I
Oh man, I couldn't even finish it, I made myself laugh.
Presents.
And put those on there.
Yeah. Just taken off my chain. And this is how loose my mech hanger is. That's safe.
And a lithium one? Or do you want,
Lithium jizz.
or the non-lithium jizz?
Which one's better?
Doesn't really make a massive amount of difference.
Well, lithium, definitely.
I quite like this one.
Why?
Because it smells nicest.
That does not smell nice. That's disgusting.
Smell this.
What's that?
This is wind. Seriously.
Smell it.
You could eat that.
You could eat that, couldn't you? How good does that smell?
It doesn't look like it would smell nice.
Incredible.
Smell-o-vision.
Yeah.
Just googled hematoma. I
Yeah.
was like, I wasn't sure.
Yeah.
And I was right to be unsure, because I was wrong. It's not just liquid, it's blood outside of the blood vessels, and then it collects
So you can't drink it,
under
really?
the skin. No, you treat it with rest, ice, compression, and elevation.
Welcome to Dr. Jess.
Jess.
And she goes, we're all like in all funny lycra outfits today. George and Jess.
Yours, incredibly weird.
Yeah, because you've got the straps hanging down as well.
Yeah, but otherwise it just like dangles.
Perfectly clean, mate. I don't know what you're talking about.
This is your jockey wheel. It was basically stuck to the outside of the cage. And look in here. It's like, look at that. Yummy, yummy.
Hair.
Yummy. Get out of the way.
Hair.
Yeah. Look at that crud. Look at how much crud
I know
is
if
in
you
there.
if you kind of twist the wheel and hold that, and it comes off, and it's called a jockey worm.
Yeah, I know exactly what it is. It's rank.
That's a bit dirty as well.
Oh man, off. Francis. Child man.
So how stressful has this been?
Relatively. I've had to change my clothes, it's so stressful.
So everything just seemed to go wrong when we were doing that. Basically, like my mech hanger's bent and my mech is bent, so I need a whole new bike, basically.
New bike day.
Now, what are you doing?
I am waxing your chain for you, my friend.
But it's a new chain. Why would you do that?
Because you still want to wax with an oil on there anyway, right? This is a paraffin wax. So it comes with, in the box, a wax off.
Mr. Miyagi.
Yeah, Mr. Miyagi. And that just melts it straight off because the two formulas are developed together.
You use this jizz.
Yeah, I just like to smell it.
Oh.
It smells incredible.
So do you.
Oh.
No, you don't. You stink, mate. You know what's weird?
Go on.
I think Monty Bojangles following me around.
Really?
Yeah.
As in Monty Bojangles?
Yeah, right there.
Following you around?
The man watches the videos.
Really?
Monty, yeah.
Oh look, Monty,
His name isn't actually Monty.
Oh, fella, we got some of your eggs.
Who's Monty Bojangles?
Exactly.
Monty Bojangles.
I've never heard of him.
I think he's this guy. He's a cat with some with like a
He's
mustache.
on there as well, yeah.
Right, I've got to get out of this building, which is a maze. Last time I tried to leave here, I ended up in the basement. Quick ride home in the rain once again. And then, don't know, rest. Any egg.
Kevin.
Do you like it? You haven't eaten it yet?
I've eaten the other one.
Eaten?
I've consumed the other one.
All the cars you got: Range Rover, Aston Martin, pimp Rolls Royce, Toyota.
Oh.
The Toyota.
Which one's George's? Right, dudes.
Okay.
I'm gonna go.
Okay.
Have fun in Windsor.
We will.
It's pissing down outside, so I'm gonna say goodbye to the camera as well. Goodbye. Where's
miss.
Chris? So finally home after a very long and wet ride back. At one point there, I was riding at like 300 watts and going about 5 miles an hour in the middle of the park where it's all exposed. It is windy, it is raining, and my lovely service bike is now covered in crap. Having said that, there's no better feeling than having a bike that's just been serviced. It's now running super smooth. New chain, new cassette, cleaned the jockey wheels, got rid of the weird worm thing that was around them, dismantled the derailleur and cleaned it. Bent my derailleur back into place. I don't know how long that's going to last. I've been bending it back and forth for months now. This will be my first time trying out the wax chain lube. George has gone nuts about it, and I mean, if it means cleaning my bike less, then it's a win. Tomorrow I'm going to meet up with George again. He's got some errands to run, and I fancy a ride around London. So stay tuned for that, and I'll catch you in the morning. Oh, one last thing. I found this strange footage on my camera from when I was back in Cape Town. I don't remember filming it, but it's pretty weird. Just watch it. Dude, what are you doing here?
That's top secret confidential. What are you doing here? I'm visiting somebody here.
Who's that?
Hillary.
Hillary?
Yeah.
Who's Hillary? What have you done, man?
I'm a Wahooligan.
Wahooligan!